All right, welcome to a unboxing. It's been a while, but we finally have something here to unbox. So today we got a trio of Russian-made airliners. We've got the Aircoro Tupolev Tu-204, a Kubana Tu-204 as well, and then a Tu-134 for Aeroflot. I would have had a couple more, but when I got the boxes in the mail, heard a slight jingling sound and decided, well, it's probably best not to open those. They were two the new Gemini, or no, sorry, two of the new NG's 737s that came in some pieces. Thankfully, I'll show you right here. Thankfully, they got repaired, but the Alaska had to be sent back. It was a little too beyond repair for me. But we're not here for that. We're here for these lovely Russian airliners. So let's pop them open. Let's start with the 134. All right, so we got the Tupolev Tu-134 and from Panda. This is the Aeroflot in their old colors. So let's pop it open and take a look. Looks good already. And I keep forgetting how small this plane actually is compared to other narrow bodies. Let's see. She looks really good. I'm impressed with Panda's quality. I was a little hesitant at first when I first bought my first one. But the little details like, the antenna at the top and the bottom there, these, I don't know what they are, bars of some kind, or another antenna or something that really surprised me. But paint job looks really good. The tail number. Yeah, I'm very impressed with these. Keep buying them, especially they kind of do very different molds too, like this. So, yeah, very happy with this one. All right, now we have the Aircoro Tu-204, and as soon as I saw that NG was making this mold, I immediately jumped all over it. It's one I've been wanting for a while. So let's pop it open and take a look. Already looks really good. Let's see here. It looks good in the packaging. Let's see if I get the packaging open. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is really nice. I'm glad someone, like I said, finally made both of this plane. It's just one of those, odd ones you don't really see very often. But it's a very good job. Paint looks really good. Very nice. I can add that to the other Aircoros that I have. Very nice. Very glad I got this. But they did a very good job. Everything's well made, unlike some other ones I've seen. Wheels roll. Antenna looks good. Yep. Zero complaints there. And last but not least, the other Tu-204, but this one with Kubana colors on it. Let's take it out. Take a look. Ooh, it's a little more difficult to open up. It's a different packaging inside. Ah. Okay, that's new. Already the colors are just, I don't know what it is about this one, maybe the scheme on it, but the colors really look good. Really jumping off of it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. It might be just because of the white base, but the red and the blue and the tail really jump off of it. That is very well made. You can see the flag near the cockpit, also type. Couple of little details on the nose there. But this is very well made. I'm very impressed by this. I mean, even on the winglets you can see. Very good job there. Yeah. This, even though it's a narrow body, is actually probably one of my favorites now. It just looks fantastic. So it's got a very wide wingspan, I just noticed that. But yeah, this for a narrow body from a small airline is now one of my favorites. It really is. So the color is just, it looks beautiful. Very, very happy I got this. So in the end, this was a very good pickup on all three of these. I'm very happy that manufacturers are now coming out with different companies besides Airbus and Boeing, being the two major ones. But I'm very happy to see them actually doing different airliners. So NG is really made up for the damaged ones I received in 737s with these two, especially that one right there. That is, like I said, easily one of my new favorites. So, and as usual, Panda's doing their thing and they're doing a good job at it. So, all in all, I have zero complaints about any of these. So, yeah, see you in the next one.